Hello there! Today I dedicate my show to the memory of a great man in the world of brass bands, the celebrated Pierre Morin, who passed away on February 6, pursuing his passion. The passion of an exceptional musician trained at the conservatories of Sion and Lausanne in Switzerland before honing his conducting skills with prestigious British conductors such as Richard Evans, Major Peter Parks, Howard Snell and James Gourlay. Perhaps above all, the passion of a demanding conductor and an enthusiastic teacher. We began with a piece of his own composition, Boogie for All, conducted by the brass band 13 Étoiles. We will continue with 13 Étoiles, also under his direction, with a three-movement piece composed by his son Bertrand Morin, American Dances. Subsequently, country, tempo di blues and jazz.